Hey, what's up everybody? This is Mr. TECHFOX here and welcome to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to join as a police officer in Roblox Wanted game. If it helps, please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, open your map. You can press on your keyboard aim or press on this map. And this map is simply not so big, but you have to find it out where the police station is. If you see on the right side here, you will see some names of the locations. So you have to choose Wasis police station. Wasis city police station. I'm already here. So if you are here, then you will get a person named Bart. So just walk around, open the door. And here you will get the person named Bart. Click on the E button and now select join police force. And that's it. From now on, you are a police officer. You can use vehicles or cars or police officers. All right, now you can arrest other players to prevent crime in the city. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.